G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we're making a Hazelnut Espresso.
This is Hazelnut.
This recipe calls for coffee liqueur, vanilla vodka and frangelico. You'll also need a shot of espresso and some chocolat for later. Into a shaker, add some ice, then add 45 ml of espresso, 45 ml of coffee liqueur, 45 ml of vanilla vodka, and 15 ml of frangelico, and then shake it like a Polaroid picture. Add some ice, then pour the mixture over the ice. Grate a little chocolate over the top. Delicious. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.